Welcome to Legacy School. Our mission is to saturate the heart of every student with revelatory teaching that awakens them into the original intentions of God. Please visit legacyschoolonline.com to begin your journey of awakening your eternal impact.
Welcome. My name is Kathleen and I am the administrator for Legacy School. I wanted to create a short tutorial for you to learn how to enroll for school using your desktop computer. You can use either a Mac or a regular PC computer. You don't have to have a Mac like I do showing on the screen. It's going to be pretty much the exact same process, so let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is open your internet browser of choice. So like I like to use Google Chrome, but you don't have to. You can use Safari or whatever you prefer to use. So I'm going to open Google Chrome and make this a little bit bigger for you guys. Second thing, you're going to navigate to the Legacy School website, www.legacyschoolonline.com. Click enter. It'll take you to the home page. Now, if you want to, you can watch this video and learn all about what Dr. Crawford has to say about school and his invitation to join. But if you've already determined that you want to join, you can click either Enroll up here, or you can scroll down and you'll see the courses available down here. So I'm going to click Enroll, and I'll take you just to these courses. So I recommend that everybody sign up for both the free ministry training course as well as enrolling in the Legacy School full paid course, because the free training course, I'll be every once in a while kind of switching different classes in and out of that, so it's kind of a nice way to keep up on some extra kind of bonus teaching as well. So if you haven't yet, you're going to want to enroll for the free training as well as Legacy School. This does not have the same classes that are in here. These are two different things here. Okay, so let's talk about enrolling for the full paid Legacy School course. You're simply going to come here and click Enroll in the Legacy School area. You'll come to a page that looks like this. And if you so desire, you can scroll down and see all the information, and it's quite a lot of information if you want to go read all of that. But if you already decided you want to enroll, this is how you're going to do it. So for our students that live in a third world nation, you are going to want to apply for a scholarship, and the scholarship is only for those who do live in a third world nation. So if you want to apply for that, you'll either click this button here, or you can click the scholarship button up here, and it'll take you to another location that will walk you through the process there. So once you get your scholarship code, you're going to come back to this page right here and do the next steps. So for our American students here, this is a subscription school, so you can be in the school as long as you want, and the payment for it is going to come out of your account every single month. So be aware that this is a subscription, and you're paying $90 every single month that will automatically come out of your account or your card, whatever you have chosen to use. For our scholarship students, be aware that it is a subscription, so that means you're going to get your cost as a scholarship student. For you, it will be $10 American dollars every single month that will automatically come out of your account. You're going to need either a credit card or a debit card of some kind in order to enroll for the school. And just be aware as well that no, we don't make any exceptions for other methods of payment or any other ways. It's a very complicated and long explanation and process for that, so just be aware this is the only way that we can do the school for now. So if you're ready to enroll, go ahead and click subscribe now, and it's going to take you to the order page. So really all you're going to do is, just plug in your information, whatever the prompt is, what's your email, all of your information of where you live, if it applies, if you're a nation or if you're of a third world nation, you might not have the same kind of system here. That's okay. We'd just like to at least know what country, what city you're in. This is where you'll put your credit card number or debit card number, expiration date, and if you have a coupon or if you are the scholarship student, this is where you're going to put your scholarship code. So when you get your code, make sure you copy that and you paste it into this coupon area. That's how you're going to get the scholarship price. So for our American students, it says the price down here. If you are a scholarship student, the price here will change to be $10 a month. And then you'll click buy. And since I haven't filled out anything, it's going to tell me what fields I still have to fill in, but I won't be able to fill that in for you because it's kind of sensitive information. But so once you enroll, once you click that button down here, you click buy, it will take you to the student portal, in which case you will end up being able to see all of my student orientation videos for you to walk you through the next process. So have no fear. Once you get in there, there'll be more help in there. So thanks for listening. And if you still have more questions, you can always go to the Contact Us page and email me, and I'll help you with anything you need. Thanks.